Texas Honey Queen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm passionate about honey, and on my channel I'll be posting videos about cooking, information, using, and making various things with honey and beeswax. Most Mondays I post a new video. My daughter, Emily, is my videographer. You'll learn how to cook, store, create, and use honey in ways you never knew. Be sure to subscribe to receive my new content, like and share with your friends, and comment below and introduce yourself and share some heavenly honey ideas or questions you want to see. Ready?